Hi, good morning. I'll be thinking why I'm smiling. Yeah, honestly, it's a cause to smile. For the past few days, I've been trying to know my watch hours on YouTube. Thanks to YouTube for making this opportunity. At least, first of all, I have to thank YouTube for creating these opportunities for small creators and giving us the opportunity to actually actualize our goals, push forward, try our best to get there. Yeah, it's really nice. So, um, I've been trying to check my watch hours and how I'm growing. It wasn't showing because it wasn't coming up. So for the past 1 week, I've been really pushing hard, putting in a lot to make sure my watch hour is growing, making engaging myself in people's posts, like share on people's posts, and in turn, I also got subscribers. I got watch hours. It was growing. So just checked my watch hour this morning, and honestly, I noticed it's coming up. So let's go right there and check it. Okay, so this is my phone menu. Now go to YouTube, my YouTube. By the way, if you are using normal YouTube app, this is what you will do. You go to your own channel, view channel. Then when you get to view channel, you get to your analytics. Click on the analytics, the graph sign. Then it won't show you. Won't be able to see it from here. For those of you that doesn't have YouTube Studio, and you now scroll down. You see the bottom. You see go to YouTube Studio. Now click on go to YouTube Studio. Now it takes me to my YouTube Studio. So on my YouTube Studio, you have your dashboard. Yeah, you have your dashboard. You have your content, your analytics, community, and all of that. Let's allow it to open. Okay, so this is my dashboard. Yeah, these are my views for the past previous 28 days. These are my watch time hour in the last 28 days. Wow, this is lovely. When I saw this, I was so happy. I was really happy. Then these are my subscribers in the last 28 days, 41 subscribers under 28 days. And honestly, this is encouraging. So if I go to my dashboard now, so now show me my top posts, my latest published content, depending on how you arranged your profile and all of that. So now here, my channel analytics, 6.6K views in the last 28 days. Wow. 51.9 watch time. Honestly, when I saw this, I was so happy. But the thing is, if I get to my monetization, you come to the extreme end down, extreme right, click on N, the dollar sign. What I saw here was a bit confusing because I tried to understand it. Let's allow it to load. My watch time was 51. My watch time is 51. You check the other, when I went to dashboard, my watch time is 51. But when I come to N, under N, that's to become a YouTube partner, you see the eligibility. So now, under my eligibility, on being within 500 subscribers, I have 78 subscribers already. Just I am two just added. I have 75, now it's 78 subscribers. My total, but in under 28 days, it's showing me 41. That is just on within 28 days, showing me 41. But my total subscribers are 78 subscribers. Thanks to all my subscribers out there. You guys are doing really good. Yeah, honestly, the growth is coming up on a steady. So now I have 3 video uploads in the past 90 days. That one is the simplest for you to do. Then, and one of the following is either you have 3,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. Wow. Or you have 3 million public short views. Wow. 3 million public short views. That's huge. But honestly, it's kind of possible because shorts are mostly viewed more than your long videos. Yeah, shorts are really, really engaging because it's quite short. Someone will just watch a 30 seconds video and off it goes. But the long videos, people find it difficult to watch because they are long, except it's very engaging. That's when they watch it. So it's either you have any of these 3,000 public watch hours or 3 million public short views. So which one are you going for? For me, I have 12 public watch hours and I have 4.7k public short views. So that means I'm growing, honestly. When I saw this, I was happy. Honestly, I was happy. My my joy has no bounds right now because honestly, even yesterday when I checked yesterday, it wasn't showing, especially these 12 public watch hours and 4.7k public short views. It wasn't showing. So I just decided to check this morning and I saw this. This is honestly I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. So now 78 subscribers, yeah. That's showing data as of January 1st, 2025 up till today is 7th. So I have 78 subscribers, 12 public hours, watch hours, 4.7 public short views. That's nice. That's really nice. Let's grow together. My advice for everyone, honestly, in all my videos, I like saying this. Try as much as you can to engage in people's posts. Always engage in people's posts. Try as much as you can. Subscribe, engage. Tell people you subscribe to them. They also subscribe back to you. That's how we grow. That's how we grow every day. It's just very, very simple. There's nothing there for you to subscribe to someone's post. Honestly, there's nothing there. You don't lose anything for you to subscribe to someone's post. There's nothing there to lose. So always try as much as you can to subscribe to people's posts, engage, comment, like, and share. That's how we grow. It's a give and take. Honestly, it's a give and take. So always try your best to do this, and we will grow every day. Thank you.